Okay, so boys and girls, sorry about that. We're back again because there's a limit to how long a video we can put on Seesaw. So you were saying about curry. Most of the time, most of the food is curry,
Yeah.
which is kind of what I'd expect.
Yeah.
But is it the same all over India?
No, there's lots of different kinds of curry you can get, and then depending on where you are in the country, it's different as well. So where I was in the south of India, they tended to be quite tomatoey curries and very spicy.
Really hot,
Like really,
spicy.
really spicy, lots of chilies. And then as you go further north, they use more kind of butter and cream, and it's more thick-based curries.
Okay. And do you always eat that with rice? Or-
Quite often with rice, yes, but a lot of what they call chapatis as well, which is like a thin naan
We've got a
bread.
picture of those.
So similar to a naan bread,
These
but they're
chapatis,
thinner.
Okay. And so basically you'd have some form of curry most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, animals. Do you get a lot of animals in India?
Yes, there are a lot of animals, quite different to the animals that we see here as well.
So in Hyderabad, in the city, in the big city,
Mm-hmm.
what would you see?
So you would quite often see cows roaming the streets.
Cows
freely
just walking
around.
down the street in
Yeah,
the city?
that's very common, and you get monkeys a lot as well.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
See, monkeys like this, boys and girls, just walking down the street. Now, that must be great. Really cute monkeys everywhere.
Well, they're actually quite annoying, and they're quite notorious for stealing things.
Really?
Yeah. So one of my friends had her glasses stolen by some monkeys.
Wow, so they're real sort of pests.
Yeah, they'll take anything.
Wow. I think when you were travelling around, you saw some elephants
Yeah,
as
they
well.
have elephants in India as well.
You had Indian elephants, which are a bit different to the African elephants,
Yeah.
but maybe that's something you might want to find out yourself, boys and girls. And I know that in some parts of India, it's very hot and dry, and
Yes.
it's like a desert.
Yeah, there's some deserts in India as well.
And you get some of these animals in the deserts,
Yeah, they use camels to carry things around the deserts as well.
which I was amazed when I found that out, because I always thought you only got camels in Africa. I didn't realise that you had them in India.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I think that boys and girls, that when you play sport in Scotland, the most popular sport is almost definitely football.
Yeah.
Right. Is that the case in India, or what's the most popular sport?
No, the most popular sport in India is definitely cricket.
Okay.
Yeah, they play a lot of cricket. You often see people playing it on the streets, playing it in parks, and then they have a huge league within India as well of professional cricket players. And also, as a country, India are very good at playing cricket.
Yeah. So there's some photos here of people playing cricket in the street. So it's not just, people don't just play it on grass, they play it on the road, whether it's dirt or grass or tarmac. And then also there's some enormous stadiums like that hold 100,000 people.
Yeah.
And I know you went to a couple of cricket
Yeah,
matches,
we
didn't
did.
you?
It was incredible.
Yeah, amazing stuff. Now, what we haven't shown you is all the things that you're going to find on Google Images as soon as you put in the country of India. All the top tourist attractions, but a couple of those you went to, and I think in particular this is probably the most famous one of the lot.
Yeah, so
Okay.
this is the Taj Mahal, which is a very, very famous building
Yeah.
in India.
I suppose that's kind of like somebody saying, right, you come on holiday to Britain and you go and see Buckingham Palace or Big Ben and the Houses
Yeah.
of Parliament in London. This is the kind of the same
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
isn't it? Same. And I think India's also really famous for beaches.
Yeah,
And
some of the coastlines.
Amazing beaches you went to on holiday, didn't you? A place
Yeah.
called Goa in the south of India.
Yeah.
Incredible. Right, boys and girls, that is about all we've got time for. I hope you enjoyed our little chat about India. Thank you, Megan. And I know that some of you are going to do a wee bit of work about finding out about India yourself. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.